20 shots, MAZIKEEN. Hardcore pyro. First time I ever heard of MAZIKEEN, I think it was either Supernatural, the TV show, or it was Lucifer, I think. Great TV shows either way. Hardcore pyro again. 500 grammer, big old 20 shots. Our performance. Looking a little scary right there. That book's on fire. I don't know if you still can read that, little chick. From the depths of hell comes green strobes with purple horsetails, red strobes with green horsetails, silver strobes with red horsetails, gold strobes with blue horsetails. This baby is hot. MAZIKEEN. Hardcore pyro, got this intergalactic. Let's check it out. I'll see what you guys think. Blam! Thumbs up, thumbs down on the MAZIKEEN. Comments down below. We'll see what you guys think. MAZIKEEN.